Go.
Hey everybody, Joe Torres here. I'm here with John Glancy. We're just doing a walk around in the area at Nick Rayer's house, and I brought my vehicle for display today. 79 Scout 2 original Rallye, purchased in Ridgecrest, California, as new, lived all its life in the desert. I picked it up around 2015 and did a full frame-off restoration on the vehicle. It's mostly original, tasteful modifications. We call it a day 2 restoration because it tries to include tasteful mods that would have happened in the 70s by an enthusiast. Put it in a few shows, put it in John Glancy's Nationals event in 2018, won several awards, and now I'm just enjoying the vehicle. Afraid to drive it, of course, but trying to get out of my shell. Put some miles on it.
We're glad you brought it.
Yeah, thank you. I'm glad I brought it too. It ended up being a great day. Nice crowd of enthusiasts here with me for our inaugural event. But yeah, a lot of work, pride and joy. Just a fun vehicle to drive and work on.
It's a beauty.
Yep. In case people are asking, this is a factory original color. The stripe is correct for the year. Everything down to the mirrors, period correct wheels as aftermarket items. Original Lock-O-Matic hub locks. Yeah, so just trying to keep it as period correct as I can, even though it has some modifications. Well,
Thank you.
yeah, thank you. Thanks.
We'll catch you next time.
You will. Thanks again, John.